talk of chiropractic, what is it?
Chiropractic is it's a medical profession that utilizes hands to treat human body. Let me explain. Chiropractic can be defined as a science, an art, and a philosophy. Meaning, there's a science behind what we do as chiropractors to correct vertebral subluxation. So, vertebral subluxation is nothing so serious other than small misalignments that occur within our body, especially within the spinal column. These misalignments causes pinching or rather compression of nerve tissue that end up supplying muscles and internal organs. Chiropractic is it's an art. You need to be trained on the proper way of performing this treatment so that you don't cause injuries to the patients that you attend to, and also to be able to know how to find the subluxation. It's a philosophy because chiropractic has a belief system that the central nervous system controls the entire functionality of the body. Therefore, whenever there is an interruption in the nerve signal to and fro, then we have an imbalance. We have an imbalance of the body communicating within itself.